Today we're unboxing version 2 of the DJI Mic. This version comes with 2 transceivers and 1 receiver. I'm super excited about this. Love DJI equipment. Ooh. So it comes with a case, a really nice kind of, I don't know, maybe neoprene case. Not sure the type of material this is, but it's really smooth and feels hardy. It comes with some warranty and stickers, it looks like. Let's open the bag, and we have some accessories. And this is the recharging case. Oh my god, don't drop it. This is the recharging case that holds the mics and the receiver. And it also has some phone adapters, a Type-C phone adapter, and a lightning cable. So let's take a look. I love how compact this is, and it holds all of the immediate accessories that you need. There's one mic, the receiver, the other mic, and that looks like the USB-C, and this one is the lightning. That's all that comes in the charging case that you can fit. This mic has a really nice small form factor. And here's the receiver where you can plug in the mobile adapters. We'll have another video going into these in more detail. Just want to show you what's all in the box. Alright, and then the next thing, we're going to unpack the accessories. We got some windscreens here that you plug into the mics, pee-poppers, as we like to call them. Another one it looks like. Pee-popper. Very fluffy. And a silica pad, and then a USB-C. So that is all that comes in with it. USB-C to USB-A cable so that you can charge your receiver. This is the documentation that came with it. It is a quick start guide. And then these are some really cool DJI stickers that came with the packaging. We'll have another video where we go through all of the different functionality and the different options and configurations available with these DJI mics, and I especially want to test out the noise cancellation. This review just really goes over what's in the box.